Good morning, everyone. I'm here in front of you to discuss what I've learned in marine environment. This video is for education purposes. So, the topic today is number one, what is marine environment? Second, what are the major source of marine pollution and its impact hazard to human, animal, and shipping industry? And third is explain MARPOL Convention history when was adopted, entered into the force and objective including of all regulation of MARPOL 1 to 6. First is what is marine environment? Marine environment is the oceans, seas, bays, estuaries, and other major water bodies, including their surface, and interaction with the atmosphere and with the land seaward of the mean of the watermarks. Second topic, what are the major source of maritime pollution and its impact hazard to human, animals, and shipping industry? So, marine pollution is a growing problem in today's world. Our occur is being our ocean is being flooded. These are two sources of pollution, point source and non-point source. 80% marine pollution come from the land. According to EPA or Victoria or EPA, there are two types of pollution source, the point and the non-point. The point source pollution that run off from a pipe or a drain to the sea or ocean. On the other hand, the non-point source pollution is defined as a result of runoff from urban land use or agricultural land use in urban storm water such as rainfalls. It's a major pollution because it affects the water quality of waterway and bays. Despite this, the storm water can carry car oil and chemical from construction site to the sea or ocean. When this occurs, it can affect the aquatic species and impact to the human health. Worldwide, hundreds of marine species have been negatively impacted to marine debris, which can harm and kill an animal or can give threat to human health. So the topic 3 is explain the Marpol Convention and where this force and the objectives of their including the annexes. So explain Marpol Convention. Marpol is the main instrumental or international convention aimed at the prevention of pollution from ship caused by operational or accidental cause. It was adopted at the International Maritime Organization or IMO 1973. The Protocol of 1978 was adopted in response to a number of tanker accident in 1976-1977. So, the 1978 protocol was absorbed into the parent convention and the combined instrument entered into force in 1993 in 1997 protocol. It was adopted to amend the convention and the new Annex 6 was added which come into force in May 2005. So there are the technical requirement of MARPOL are included in 6 separated annexes. Annexes 1 is regulation for the prevention of pollution by oil. Annex 2 is regulation for the control of pollution by noxious liquid substances of bulk. Third annexes is prevention of pollution by harmful substances carried in sea package form. And the four annexes is prevention of pollution by sewage from ship. And the 5 prevention of pollution by garbage from ship. And the last annex 6 is prevention of air pollution from ship. So I explain one of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 annexes. So first annexes is Annex 1. Annex 1 is the first implementation made by Marpol 1973-1978, one of the most important international marine environmental convention. The convention was designed to minimize pollution of seas from ship. That is Annex 1. Second is Annex 2 is to dilute cargo residues in seawater to the prescribed limit on their pollution hazard and facilitates the distribution of discharge by utilizing the wake of the ship. That is Annex 2. So the Annex 3 1992 contains requirement for sale handling of packaged substance that represent a session risk to the environment. That is the purpose of Annex 3. So the next is Annex 4. Annex 4 is contains a set of regulation regarding the discharge of the sewage into the sea from ship, including regulation to the ship for the sea. So Annex 5. Annex 5 is to aims to eliminate and reduce the amount of garbage being deputed into the sea from the ship. That is Annex 5. Annex 6. Annex 6 is the first adopted in 1997, limits the main air pollutant contained in the ship exhaust gas, including the sulfur oxide, and prohibited deliberate emission of zone depleting substances. So that is the 6 annexes from Marpol Convention.